I was frustrated and really fed up, and I was looking. I didn't know if I'm going to find a solution to my problem and if I will be able to come up with something that will help me, that will make me financial free. And I found a hope in a program, and this program provided me with the ability to make money online. And all I need is my cell phone, and there's apps is completely free. I don't have the thing that I have to pay anything out. I don't have delivery cost. I don't have driving around. I'm at home, working from home, and this has helped me. And I can give this to you exactly in the same way. And I want to help you, and I'm there to stand with you. And if you want to know more about this solution, say yes, and I will send you the blueprint, and you can start your new journey.